Hey YouTube, welcome back to more cleaning videos. So I'm gonna do just a big vacuum, pick up, tidy. I'm gonna scrub down some surfaces and try to get inspired to get some things cleaned because, you know, just day-to-day messes, right? Sometimes it doesn't have to be the deepest clean ever known to mankind. It can just be a quick tidy up. So hey, come along, let's vacuum, let's scrub up. I'm gonna see if the floors need to be mopped. I just mopped them, so I'm guessing not, but we're gonna check it out, so come look with me. Let's get clean, yeah. Sponges are so handy. I keep one sponge just for countertops and coffee tables for when my son pours something out that I don't quite notice and it hardens. Warm water soap, scrub, scrub, so much for following along. Hey, give these cleaning videos a thumbs up. I know there's some of my most requested and popular content on here. So I love, you know, just getting us all passionate about tidying up and cleaning and not having it be the epic once a year thing we do. Just our day-to-day lives, right? With the little monkey, I'm letting him have his iPad time. Frequently he cleans with me, but when I'm gonna just do a real quick power clean, it tends to be easier if he just watches his cartoon for 10 or 15 minutes. And then on days where, you know, we've got a little bit more time to clean, he'll help do that. And that's fun. In fact, if you'd like to have me do a video, I can talk about the chores, he's now 4, that he does. He does dishwashing, he puts away utensils, he does certain types of sweep up little things that he can handle and feel good about and loves doing. You know, that's one of the most important things to me, is that I show him through I'm doing that cleaning is fun, that it's good to clean regularly. And then by letting him, you know, keep expanding what he can do in cleaning, then I feel like he feels empowered and enjoys it even more. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see a video where I talk more about kind of mommy and me chores you can do together. But this was just a nice, satisfying clean. That's Maynard, our rocking moose. We're quite fond of him. You probably saw Abraham had to go talk to him. He had to tell Maynard not to be scared of the vacuum sounds. That's what he was doing. He was going over and telling Maynard, don't be afraid. Mommy's not gonna vacuum you all. My son is I'm sure you saw, very scared of the vacuum, and he's working on it. Like, he knows that mommy needs to vacuum from time to time, that I can't always sweep. And we've tried to make it more into a game, but it's still, with his sensory processing complaints, it's still worrisome. So thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, I'm Rose Kelly. I do cleaning tutorials, I do family vlogs on here, I do fun hauls and silly story times. This is kind of my more playful channel. Oh yes, sir.
Now can you play what?
Oh, you were gonna do the dining table too. Okay, we have to go scrub the dining table. But I was going through letters and mail and stuff on my to-do list, so I have to clean that off. And I need to send out some cards. I do, because I like to mail people cards. It's fun.
Mom, I can go work.
Whoa, your tongue's so long. Oh, that's so nice to be shown. Mom, look at my speckled tongue. Ay, ay, ay. But thank you so much. So those are the videos I put on here, and then I have my more educational parenting channel on my other channel, and it kind of, they just play back and forth together. You know, mommy life, real, honest, authentic life, with the messes and the chaos and the love and the fun. Yeah.
I'll play table.
I know. Okay. Spraying things is it his favorite? It's one of his like top 5 favorite things to do for cleaning. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna say bye-bye. So until next time, hey, thank you so much. Oh yeah. We're gonna be posting every Saturday this month.
Let me take them.
Oh yeah.
Goodbye. And ciao, Instagram.
And ciao, he thinks everything's Instagram. Yes, ciao. We've been working on our Italian. Ciao may be the gist of our Italian right now, but you know, we're working on being able to request a grilled cheese sandwich next time we go there. Goals! Oh hey, because I didn't mention it in the outro, go down to the links, feel free to check out. You can click on all of my books that I write. You can order a copy on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Smashwords, all those good sites. And there's also a link to all of my homeware sites. So I designed that fun pillow there, I do mugs, tote bags, all of that. And it is a lovely, wonderful way to find fun home goodies for your day-to-day life and support this channel. See y'all then.